struggle to get your toddler to eat fresh fruits and vegetables like every other mom in America? I struggle with the same thing. It is sometimes impossible to get him to eat his fresh fruits and vegetables. But I'm going to tell you a secret. I discovered a game changer when it comes to getting my toddler to eat fresh fruits and vegetables, and I'm going to share it with you today. I have discovered Beech-Nut Naturals Baby Food, and now this is real baby food inspired by homemade, and I love it. Okay, it is made up of all natural ingredients, and it is made of things that he could pronounce and I can pronounce. This is Beech-Nut Naturals Just Carrots, and the ingredients are just carrots. How awesome is that? Now, how do I get him to eat this? Well, I actually mix vegetables and fruit into our meals all the time to ensure that he gets the vitamins that he needs from them and the nutrition, as well as my older kids. And to be honest, they don't even know it. So today, I am gonna share with you just how I mix Beech-Nut Naturals, just carrots, into their favorite food, smoothies for breakfast. Come on, join me. Let's make it together. Hidden vegetable smoothies made with Beech-Nut Naturals. Mom made, kid tested, kid approved. Delicious.